Friends, in the previous class, I have already explained about you noun. Now today's new topic, that is pronoun. Now look at here. A pronoun is a word used in place of a noun to avoid its repetition. Just see, I will give you one example. Rita. Rita is a very good girl. Rita completed the work before the time. Rita is very hardworking girl. So instead of using person's name, we can use like this. She is very hardworking girl. She completed the work before the time, like this. Now, various kinds of pronoun are personal pronoun, reflexive or emphatic pronoun, demonstrative pronoun, interrogative pronoun, indefinite pronoun, relative pronoun, and distributive pronoun. Now, first of all, I am talking about personal pronoun. Now, look at this chart, personal pronoun. There are three kinds: nominative, possessive, and objective. First person, second person, third person. Clear? And how you are using, that is also I will explain you. First of all, look at here singular and plural form. In singular, I, mine, mine, me. In plural form, we, our, ours, us. And second person, in singular, we are using like this: you, your, yours, you. And in plural form, we can use like this: you, your, yours, you. And third person, we are using in singular form like she, he, it, his, her, its, him, her, him. And for plural form, we are using like they, their, theirs, them. So I will give you two examples also. That is, now look at here. Why are you so sad? So why are you so sad? That is an example of personal pronoun. And you is come in the category of second person. That is also come in the category of personal pronoun. That is the first kind of pronoun. Again, one more example. Some men are cruel. They beat animals. They beat animals. They come in the category of third person. That is also the example of personal pronoun. Now look at here again. Come back. Reflexive or emphatic. Used as the object of word but refer to the same person. Like this: self, mine, your, him. We can use like this one: myself, herself, itself. And selves to our, your, them. And plural we are using like this: ourselves, yourselves, and themselves. Now demonstrating, used for pointing out a person. Now look at here, these point to nearby things, that, those points, objects as a distance. Clear? Now demonstrative pronoun, I am giving example. This box is empty. So here we are reading this box. So the box is near the persons. This box is empty. That is come in the category of example of demonstrative pronoun. Again, these books belongs to me. That is also come in the example of demonstrative pronoun. Clear? If the object near the place, that is these. At the very far away the distance, that is those. Now, interrogative, used for asking question. Who, whom, whose, used for persons. Which, used for things. What, also used for things. Now, interrogative. Now look at here. Who broke my toys? Who broke my toys? What shall we do now? What shall we do now? That is come in the category of interrogative pronoun. Again, come back. Indefinite. Do not refer any particular person. One, none, some, any, somebody, anybody, nobody, everybody, something, etc. Now, indefinite. Now look at this example. Where is everybody? Here, beta. That is come in the category of example of indefinite pronoun. One more example. Are there enough seats for everyone? Are there enough seats for everyone? That is come in the category of indefinite pronoun. Now again come back. That is relative. Refer back to some noun going before them, join to sentence. It is also helpful to joining to sentences like who, whose, whom for persons, which for things and animals, that for both persons and things. Now look at here relative pronoun. This is the road which leads to our schools. That is come in the category of relative pronoun. This is the man whose courage saved us. Clear? So this is also the example of relative pronoun. Now again come back, distributive. Refers to a person or things one at a time. Each, every, either, neither. Each means every one of the two or more taken separately. Either, one of two, neither, none of the two. Every used with singular class. Clear, beta? Now this is the chart and personal pronoun I have already explained to you. Now forms mine, our, your, his, or theirs. These are also used as pronoun. This is my book. So we can use like this. This book is mine. Clear? And I have already given the example. Why are you so sad? That is come in the category of personal pronoun. Some men are cruel. They beat animals. That is a third person and come in the category of personal pronoun. We enjoyed ourselves. We enjoyed ourselves during the holiday. That come in the example of reflexive pronoun. This box is empty. This is an example of demonstrative pronoun. These books belong to me. That is also come in the category of demonstrative pronoun. Who broke my toys? That is come in the category of interrogative pronouns. What shall we do now? That is come in the category of interrogative pronoun. Where is everybody? That is come in the category of indefinite pronoun. Are there enough seats? Are there enough seats for everyone? That is also come in the category of indefinite pronoun. This is the road which leads to our school. That is come in the category of example of relative pronoun. This is the man whose courage saved us. That is also example of relative pronoun. So these are the pronouns. Now if you have any question, any query, then please write down in my comment box and please subscribe my channel. Thank you.